Hey everyone, it's Rob from Hypop and welcome back to another video. In this one, we are taking a closer look at the brand new sweep extension kit for the Easiframe curved Cyclorama backdrop. Another great addition to the Easiframe curved setup is the brand new sweep extension kit. And you can see here what we've done is dismantled the standard Easiframe curved configuration, and we'll be adding the sweep extension kit to extend this to 2.5 meters of height, 2.5 meters of length along the floor, and also 3 meters in total of width. So this is the sweep extension kit and how it comes packaged. There's a total of 7 pieces here that will allow you to extend the height, the length along the ground, and also the width of the standard Easiframe curved. And with this, you'll need to use a brand new Easiframe curved skin to suit the new wider and larger Easiframe curved sweep extension. We've now laid out the pieces for the sweep extension kit along the floor here so you can have a look at where they're positioned. So we have 3 identical pieces along the middle, and you have 2 on either side, 1 longer along the ground and 2 of the shorter pieces that will increase the height. So we'll now start the setup of the sweep extension kit for the Easiframe curved. So just a quick tip when you're attaching the segments with the locking part here, what you can do is use the floor as a guide. Instead of having it up in the air to connect them, slide it into place for a smoother connection. So we've now set up the sweep extension kit to increase the height to 2.5 meters, the length along the ground to 2.5 meters, and the width to 3 meters. This is more typical of a standard photography and videography backdrop setup, and now you need to purchase the additional Easiframe curved skin to suit the sweep extension. So we've now just installed the sweep extension Easiframe backdrop, which is the 2.5 by 2.5 meter backdrop. You can see here it's now larger, so not only is it taller, it's also longer and wider. We have the green screen on, so we'll just show a demonstration of that and how to install it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this. Hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comment section below your thoughts, or if you have any questions about the sweep extension kit for the Easiframe backdrop. Follow us on socials, the links are down below, and visit our website, hypop.com.au.